Let's go ahead and take a look at this function. U of x is equal to a rational function. Starting with the horizontal asymptotes, we notice that the degree of the numerator is 1 and the degree of the denominator is 1. So when these denominators are the same, we have a horizontal asymptote. Y equals the ratio of the leading coefficients. So y equals 5/3 is going to be the horizontal asymptote. Now 5/3 is 1 2/3, so it's about right here, and you can't really get that by just plotting that. As you can see, we're just going 1, 2, 3. So what we'll do is we'll click on plot a point, and we could put the point at 0 and then 5/3. And let's go ahead and plot that point. And you can see it right here. Now let's take that horizontal asymptote and put it right there. So we're finished with the horizontal asymptotes. Now let's go to the vertical asymptotes. As you can see, this denominator, when we set 3x minus 7 equal to 0, we get x equal to a positive 7/3. So again, 7/3 is going to be tough because it is 2 1/3. So we'll go ahead and plot a point to give that to us. So we will have 7/3, 0, just to get us in that place where we can see where that is. And now let's go ahead and put that vertical asymptote there. So we're finished with our asymptotes, but as you can see, so let's just click that to get rid of it. It does say plot the asymptotes, and we did plot the horizontal and the vertical asymptotes. And we did need the plot point tool for the non-integer coordinates. Actually, we use those for the asymptotes. But now we need 2 points on each side, and they always ask you to have 2 points on each side of the vertical asymptote. So what I like to do is look at my function and see if there's a point that might be, I don't know, kind of easy to use. And I think we should go ahead and let x equal to 0 and let x equal to 1. And that will give us 2 points on this side of the vertical asymptote. So when x is 0, you can see y is 3/7. And when x is 1, we get 2 in the numerator and a -4 in the denominator, which is a -1/2. Let's go ahead and get those plotted first. So we'll go ahead and plot 0 and 3/7, and then we'll plot 1 and -1/2. And now, without even looking at those, let's go ahead and pick 2 points on this side. So I don't know, we could go ahead and choose maybe a +4, and let's go ahead and close this and then decide. So we could choose maybe 3 and 4. Let's choose 3 and 4. So when x is 3, we have 12 over 2, which is 6. And when x is 4, we get 17 divided by, and that would be 5. So 17/5. Hopefully I've done those correctly. I kind of did those quickly. So I did not use a calculator, so I may have an error there. But let's see. 3, 6, plot that point. And then 4, and we have 17/5. Plot that point. So I think we should be good to go. 2 points on this vertical asymptote, 2 points on this side of the vertical asymptote. Let's go ahead and see if it'll graph our function. It sure enough did. And then let's check our answer. And it says that it's correct. So I do hope that this has helped.